Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Render. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after getting rejected by the resistance of the channel, it was dropped down at the support and it was forming a double bottom at the support of the channel. Therefore, I was telling you that now there is a probability that it may make another attempt to break out the resistance of this down channel on the 4-hour time frame chart. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then here on this 4-hour time frame chart, Render, after forming this double bottom, moved up to the resistance, and we had several attempts by the price line to break out the resistance of the down channel, but could not break out, and now it has broken down the support after getting rejected. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move, and I would also like to show you this breakdown that has happened on the hourly time frame chart from this ascending triangle, and we will also take a look at this big rising wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared a few days back on 29th of May 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that render was forming on a 4-hour time frame chart. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down, and once it will be entered within this price range from $2.56 to $2.47, then we can expect the next price reverse. And I was expecting up to 14% rally after the completion of this pattern. Now, if I play the chart, then you can see that the price line, as expected, dropped more down, completed the leg here, and then we had a nice reversal after hitting the sell target zone. The price then again moved down in the same potential reversal zone. And then we had almost 12% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that was getting formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then moved down as per the Fibonacci sequence of this pattern, completed the leg here, then we had a very, very massive price reversal. That was by the way more than 270% rally on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I am sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've already shared. Now let's move to the live chart. And by the way, this was a 4-hour time frame chart, and I was showing you that after this formation of the double bottom, now there can be a probability that the price line can make another attempt to break out the channel. You can see we had a nice price reversal, but unfortunately, the price line could not break out the resistance and even broke down the support of this channel. At the same time, on the smaller time frame chart, on this 4-hour time frame chart, the price line has also broken down the support of this triangle. By the way, the target for this breakdown from this down channel after this breakdown was here. That was approximately at $1.84, and you can see that the price line has dropped down up to $1.81. Now, if we take a look at the target for this breakdown from this triangle that has happened on this hourly time frame chart, and after this breakdown, the target to the downside can be here. That is approximately at $1.78. At the same time, on the weekly time frame chart, you can see that the price line was dropped at the support of this rising wedge pattern. You can see we have already broken out a very big down channel, and after that, we formed this rising wedge. And by the way, this was a quite powerful rally from this low of June 2022 up till this high. That was more than 950% rally. And finally, the price line is breaking down the support of this rising wedge pattern. So far, the candlestick is not closed on the weekly time frame chart. Below then this support, we also have this very long-term support of $2 as well. That was previously working as a support here, as a resistance here, and as a resistance here as well. And right now, you can see that the price line is about to test this very long-term support of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 on this weekly time frame chart as well. This EMA 21 can work as a very strong support, and this is a hope that the price line after testing the support can start another price reversal. However, if the price line breaks down this support, then the next significant support will be here. That is at $1.17. Previously, you can see when we had this rally, the price line got rejected by this resistance of $1.17. That was working as a very strong resistance. And here for several weeks or months, the price line has been using this level or moving above this level and using this level as a support. Therefore, the price line can drop down at this support if this EMA 21 will be broken down. However, the target for this previous breakout from this big down channel that has already happened, and that move is, by the way, still due to hit that target. That is here at the top of the channel. That can be between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.